is cycle 3, week 5. We're going to be talking about perspective art today, or art in perspective. You can first ask the question, what is perspective? See if the kids know what the answer to that is. It is in your script for talking to them about what perspective is. And then you can show them what perspective is by, if you have a whiteboard, you could draw on a whiteboard or use paper if you have that, of what are these shapes. So you can draw a triangle, a square, rectangle, and say, what are these? And ask the kids. And then when they say what they are, you can talk about how these are two-dimensional shapes and how to make something three-dimensional. You could do a dot over here, draw lines to it to add that perspective. You then have made a three-dimensional shape, and so you can talk about how this is more like a cube. If you have younger classes and you have a big die, that might be a fun thing for them to see the difference visually of a cube versus a square. So you have that as a way to kind of show them what perspective can look like in a simple form. And then today, for our activity, we are going to be drawing the Washington Monument. So we're talking about U.S. history, and so this is a big, iconic tower for our country. And so we are going to be drawing the Washington Monument. So we have it. We are going to be using the Inside the Lines videos again. So we have it in your script for how to get there and drawing the Washington Monument. I would recommend, she has 3 different options of videos. She has the 4 to 6 year range, 7 to 9 year range, and then 10 to 12. So whatever age range you're in, and if you're kind of in the middle, you can watch both videos and kind of gauge where you think your kids are. It's been five weeks now, so you should know a little bit better of what your kids aren't capable of. So use your best judgment there for what you're wanting to draw. You're going to be drawing basically this same thing. The bigger kids are going to be adding trees, where the younger kids, you might not even have time for that. But here's the image there so that you have that. So please watch the video ahead of time and actually make them yourself. Make 1, make 2, so that way you know how to work it through and draw it with your class. It really helps you being the one teaching them how to draw it instead of it being just on a screen or a video. And so once you've walked the class through how to draw it, then everybody can have fun coloring it and make it their own. So have fun.